Mercedes-AMG is kicking off a new era of electric performance. Here's what we know. Mercedes-AMG made its first electric vehicle over a decade ago, the limited SLS-AMG electric drive. But the brand didn't release another electric car until the EQ lineup. However, that's changing now. The company is developing several EVs on a new platform, with the first one set to debut this year. AMG will reveal two high-performance electric vehicles on the new platform, an SUV and a sports sedan. The sedan will replace the AMG GT four-door coupe and take inspiration from the 2022 Vision AMG concept. While specific details are still under wraps, Mercedes has shared some exciting hints about the electric vehicle. What will it look like? The sedan will take design cues from the Vision AMG concept, which is slightly longer than the current AMG GT four-door. The teaser images suggest similar proportions, but there are some significant changes at the back. The teaser images also show a front bumper with canards and an active rear spoiler. Although the rear isn't fully visible, the official images show a more functional design than the concept, with hidden styling details and Miata-like taillights. Despite these differences, the sedan keeps a short trunk and familiar silhouette, likely a five-door liftback, similar to its predecessor. What will Mercedes call it? Mercedes hasn't announced the name of the new electric sedan yet. It will replace the AMG GT four-door but won't use the EQ prefix. Mercedes is moving away from that naming system, branding electric vehicles with EQ technology after the model name, as seen with the G580 from last year. AMG might come up with something unique. What platform will it ride on? The sedan will be built on AMG's new dedicated amg.ev architecture. This platform won't be shared with other Mercedes models, making it exclusive to AMG. It features a slimmed-down battery pack for a more spacious cabin while boosting energy density by 40%. This platform will also support an AMG SUV and possibly a supercar. What will power it? The AMG sedan will feature new axial flux electric motors from Mercedes' British subsidiary, YASA. These motors offer superior power density, size, and weight compared to traditional cylindrical motors. Weighing just 53 pounds, each motor will produce 480 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. AMG plans to equip the EV with at least two motors, likely producing over 1,000 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive will be standard, with a possible tri-motor setup offering nearly 1,500 horsepower. When will it go on sale? While AMG hasn't set a precise debut date for the sedan, we expect the reveal to happen early this year. The EV could be available by early 2026, although it's unclear whether both the sedan and SUV will launch simultaneously or one after the other. How much will it cost? The performance EV will replace the AMG GT four-door coupe, which starts at $113,150. The EQS, Mercedes' flagship electric sedan, starts at $105,550, though that's for the entry-level 450 Plus trim, which only makes 355 horsepower, far less than the 1,000 horsepower AMG promises for its sedan and SUV. The AMG EQS, which produces up to 751 horsepower, starts at $148,700. With new motor and battery technology on a new platform, the AMG four-door coupe could easily surpass $150,000. What will it compete against? This electric sedan will compete with high-performance electric sedans like the Porsche Taycan, which starts just over $100,000 but only offers 402 horsepower. Other competitors include the 1,500 horsepower Xiaomi SU7 Ultra from China, the Lucid Air, and the Tesla Model S. Does this mean AMG V8s are dead? Despite the focus on electric architecture, AMG has promised new V8 models in the works. AMG believes its customers will embrace electrification, as many don't just want the V8 engine but also the cutting-edge technology it brings.